I'm a member of the social research team in the University of Girona. I'm designing and implementing a pedagogical program and action research through the schools to investigate intergenerational learnings between students and families. Intergenerational learning can mean that parents and families can learn from their daughters and sons, or from a community perspective, that the older generations in community can learn from the younger generations in the community, so from young adults and children, and also the other way. So it means in exchange of learnings, of expertise, of knowledge, and also this interaction that can engage all the community in this process, and also to improve the cohesion. Researching intergenerational learning is important because it can provide us with communication and participation tools to increase the engagement of communities in energy communities. We have designed a pedagogical proposal to be implemented in the schools. This proposal is based on experiential learning, process theater, to work on energy communities with children. But our objective, it's not only implementing the pedagogical proposal in the schools, but the transmission process between the students and their families after the school. So besides the implementation of the pedagogical process proposal in the schools, from the University of Girona, we are also coordinating the data collection through online surveys and in-depth qualitative interviews with families to actually analyze how this intergenerational transfer is actually happening. Well, the aims of RESCHOOL in regard to intergenerational learning are to explore if these intergenerational transfers and impacts are useful to improve the participation in energy communities from the community. So in terms of policy, we want to know if these interventions and these targeted interventions in the schools are useful and an effective way to improve energy communities in the territory. How interesting was this connection between the energy communities and the schools? The idea here is to use the schools as a key social space in the community, and not only a place where children go and it's not connected with the rest of people. It's not only about energy communities, it's about increasing the cohesion, increasing the community trust among all these members. My motivation in the RESCHOOL project, personally speaking, is to explore how energy communities can be a tool to move towards energy democracy and a more social just transition. In doing that, energy communities cannot work alone. They need to consider all the other social actors in the community, including the schools, including social organizations, social movements too. So when I heard about the RESCHOOL project, this was the thing that motivated me the most.